Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. So guys, today I'm gonna make some salad for dinner. So guys, I have these fish nuggets. So guys, I'm gonna put the fish nuggets in the oven. So we're gonna put these on the salad. So these are some fish nuggets. I'm gonna use fish nuggets in the salad and some chicken strip. So I'm gonna put these in the oven to bake. Guys, we have so much starch this week, so I'm not doing no more starch today. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven and let it bake. And I also have some chicken strip. So I have some chicken strips guys, so I'm gonna use that also. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven guys. They're already pre-cooked. So I'm gonna put it in the oven to warm up. It was in my freezer, take it out and I defrost it. And that's that. Still have a couple of the fish stick in the mouth, so I want to use the whole thing. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Continue please to view my videos, continue to subscribe. Guys, these are not 100% healthy, but I've been cooking all week. I'm not in the mood to continue cooking. Tired of cooking. So I'm just gonna make something quick and easy. So that's my chicken and fish stick right there guys. I'm gonna put that in the oven. I'm gonna make some salad with my lettuce, cucumber, sweet potato, sweet pepper and tomato guys. Alright guys, so I'll check you back guys when I'm doing making the salad. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna wash my salad, my lettuce. So guys, I always take off the first set of leaf. So the first set of leaf, I always take that off. Feel like waste guys, but I don't trust using the first set of leaf. And you see it have a lot of dirt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm cutting off this part and I'm gonna wash them, get rid of all the dirt. What did I do with the scissors guys? Oh. Yes guys, please continue to subscribe, comment guys. I appreciate you commenting and you subscribing. All my subscribers, thank you so much, and to the future subscribers, thank you so much guys. I just do simple cook stuff. So right here I'm just separating. I'm trying not to make too much lettuce because sometimes I make too much and they spoil. Because by tomorrow it turn red guys. So the cucumber, maybe 4 cucumber guys. Alright, 1 cucumber right there. Yes guys, I have the baby tomato. So usually I use these tomato guys, but I wash them and I cut them in 2. So that's it right there. So I'm gonna clean out these stuff out the sink and start to wash. Guys, if you see more dirt inside the sink from the lettuce leaf, guys, you have to wash your stuff, you know. You have to really spend time to wash your stuff when you buy them from the store. So guys, I'm gonna wash the lettuce. I'm gonna wash the tomato and the cucumber first. Don't want to waste water. I'm gonna wash off the lettuce, guys, in these. Just want to make sure I get rid of all this dirt from in there. After I wash this off, I'm gonna wash it again. Take off all the dirt off of it. Try not to cook too much. So I'm sticking it in the oven. I'm gonna let this drain off. Guys, I don't know if this is enough. Maybe I need to do more. Alright, I'm just gonna do the whole thing. I have 3 bags, so I'm just gonna do it. Yes, I don't think I have enough. So I take off the first layer. Have the first layer, guys. Have the first layer. Try to get out all the dirt. So guys, you can see that the water is red. Water is red. I'm gonna pour that out. So I'm rinsing them off with cold water. So I'll check you back, guys, as soon as I finish rinsing these off. Okay guys, welcome back. So guys, now I'm gonna cut up tomato. I'm draining off the lettuce, guys. So I'm making the water drip off the lettuce. So I always cut my plummy tomato in 2. Easy dinner tonight, guys. It's not 100% healthy because of the processed meat. I don't know. But I'm not in the mood to cook, so the best thing for me tonight is making some salad, because for the past couple of days I've been cooking, and sometimes, guys, you run out of idea what to cook. And so, guys, I have this stuff in the freezer. I grabbed 2, chicken and fish. And then I'm just gonna have that with salad. You have something near croutons that you can put on your salad. So that's it. If they want croutons, they could put that on it. So there you go. Tomato. Guys, if you are still there, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for subscribing. All my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, guys. I appreciate it. Guys, we had so much carb this week, and so I don't want to have any more carb. So that's why I said let me do the salad today. Get rid of some of those carbs in my system. We have banana and dump now. We have banana and sweet potato. The video, I think I made a video of it. We had soup. We have salt mackerel and all kind of different stuff this week. So guys, because these cucumbers are so small, you try to take off the cucumber skin. But these cucumbers are so small, so I'm just gonna leave the skin on. This is not gonna be a very long video, guys. So alright guys, so I'll check you back guys as soon as I finish cut up the cucumber. Alright guys, I'll be back guys. Okay guys, so there you go. The last cucumber. And also my chicken, my fish is in the oven. So there you go guys, this is all the vegetable I'm gonna put in the salad. And I'm gonna put some raisin. I'm gonna add some raisin in there too, not too much raisin because we don't want it too sweet. So just that little bit of raisin is enough. Don't need a lot of sugar. So that's it guys. Tomato, sweet pepper, raisin and cucumber. Check it out guys. Okay guys, so there is the fish stick, our fish nuggets and the chicken strip. So it's in the oven. So I'm just gonna let it bake a little bit and get warm. Then I'm gonna turn off the oven, let it cool down to cut it up and put it in the salad. Okay guys, so right here I'm gonna break up my lettuce. Guys, I don't use knife really to cut lettuce because when you cut them with knife, they turn red. So most of the time I just wash and break up with my hand. So guys, you knock off the water. The excess water guys, you just do like this and knock off the water. Okay guys, I'll check you back guys when I'm finished. So okay guys, let's put these on top. I'm not gonna mix them together guys, I'm just gonna put them so that at least we can eat up the cucumber and the pepper and the raisin, so that if the lettuce is not finished, at least I know that we didn't waste the tomato them. So guys, I'm just gonna put these on top. So when you pick it up, so just pick up from top guys. I just pick up the tomato and the lettuce and the tomato and the sweet pepper, and that's it. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. So thank you so much guys. I will be back when the chicken is finished. Okay guys, so the fish, the chicken is finished. So guys, we put it in this baking pan, or maybe I should leave it on here. Guys, I think I'm gonna leave it on the tray so it continue cooling down guys, because I just took it out the oven. Yeah, it's still hot guys, so it's gonna get sweaty. So I'm gonna leave it on the counter until it cool down. So I'm gonna cut these like these chicken breasts, cut them in 2 or 3. I'm gonna cut these up. The fish, I'm not gonna cut the fish, guys. I don't think we can. The fish will be able to. Whoops! Yeah, the fish can't cut, guys. So I'm just gonna cut up the chicken and let it cool down before, and then I'll make a salad later. So guys, I'll add that video. I'm gonna let the fish stick cool down on this. Hot. So guys, that's an easy way to make a salad. Another easy way to make a salad, guys. Even though I didn't make the chicken, just empty the bag and add it up, and that's a salad right there. So when I make my salad bowl, guys, I will let you see what my salad bowl look like. And so I'm gonna have the chicken in this in the fry pan. The fish, I'm gonna have to let the fish cool down first before I add it, because the fish is more softer than the chicken. So I'm gonna put it into the side. Alright, just leave it like that. So that's the chicken right there, guys. So when the fish cool down, then I'll add it to the pan. Guys, I'll make a video for the salad bowl and add it to this one. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe and share. And there you go. Chicken and fish for salad. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please comment, subscribe and share, and take care of yourself until next time. We can eat it cooking.